In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a T account in Microsoft Excel. A T account is a simple visual that splits activity into debits on the left and credits on the right. We're going to build that clean outline with Excel's border tools, and then finish by adding the labels and text you need so it's immediately usable for class, practice problems, or work papers. First, thicken the bottom border. Select the cells where you want the body of your T account to live, usually a small block that's a few columns wide and several rows tall, leaving a little room above for a title. With that range selected, go to the Home tab, open the Borders menu, and choose More Borders or Format Cells. In the Border section, pick a thick line style. Then click the bottom border preview to apply it across your selection. This horizontal line becomes the strong baseline that visually anchors your T account. Quick tip: pressing Ctrl+1 on Windows or Command+1 on a Mac opens Format Cells directly. If the line looks faint, double-check you chose a thicker style and that your zoom level is at least 100% so the line weight is easy to see. Next, adjust both side borders and thicken them. Keep the same range selected and, in the border options, click the left and right border previews using the same thick line style. You should now see a bold outline on the bottom, left, and right edges, which frames your entries neatly. If any inside borders conflict or you see broken segments, reapply the outside borders after clearing inside lines, or extend your selection to include every row of the account area so the side borders run continuously from top to bottom. You can also gently widen the columns if your labels feel cramped. That won't change the borders you've just set. Finally, add text. Click into the cells and type your account title above the framed area so it's easy to identify. Inside the outlined area, label the left side debit and the right side credit. Consider bolding those headers for emphasis. Align the debit column text to the left and the credit column text to the right for quick scanning, and apply your preferred number format so amounts are consistent. If you track totals, type total at the bottom of each side and place your sums directly across from those labels. Light shading on the header cells can also improve readability while keeping the focus on your thick borders. And that's it. You've thickened the bottom border, strengthened the side borders, and added clear text, creating a clean, functional T account in Excel that's ready for entries and totals.